pure poetry.
But it was not to last. Gusteau's restaurant lost one of his 5 stars after a scathing review by France's top food critic, Anton Ego. It was a severe blow to Gusteau, and the broken-hearted chef died shortly afterwards, which, according to tradition, meant the loss of another star.
Gusteau is dead?
Scathing. Critical and unkind. Devastating.
Given the reaction to my costume, this party is a scathing indictment of the American education system.
Severe. Not kind or sympathetic, harsh.
It's about helping this little girl who suffered such severe trauma she can't even speak anymore.
Blow. An unexpected, harmful event.
Losing Mike was a blow, of course. It's not just that.
How dare you cook in my kitchen? Where do you get the gall to even attempt something so monumentally idiotic? I should have you drawn and quartered. I'll do it. I think the law is on my side. Larousse, go and quarter this man. After you put him in the duck press to squeeze the fat out of his head. Oh, no. What are you blathering about?
Gall. Rudeness.
Who the fuck has the goddamn gall to call his house on a Tuesday night?
Monumentally. To a very great or extreme degree.
Listen, Miss Kern, this has already been a monumentally shitty day, and I haven't even started dealing with the West Coast yet.
Blather. To talk in a silly or annoying way.
You should hear him blathering on in Blackfoot.
What should I do now?
Kill it.
Now?
No, not in the kitchen. Are you mad? Do you know what would happen to us if anyone knew we had a rat in our kitchen? They'd close us down. Our reputation is hanging by a thread as it is. Take it away from here. Far away. Kill it. Dispose of it. Go!
Reputation. The general opinion that people have about someone or something.
You know, he has quite the bad boy reputation himself.
Hang by thread. To be in a very dangerous situation or state.
The only catch is, her 95-year-old husband is still hanging on by a thread. I can't make a move until he dies, which hopefully is any day now.
Dispose of. To get rid of something.
Now these are the people who, in a panic, had to dispose of the nitroglycerin.
Well, the will stipulates that if after a period of 2 years from the date of death, no heir appears, Gusteau's business interests will pass to his sous chef, you.
I know what the will stipulates. What I want to know is if this letter, if this boy changes anything.
There's not much resemblance.
There's no resemblance at all.
Stipulate. To state exactly what must be done.
Your Honor, the defense is happy to stipulate Miss McGuire's positive identification of all 4 defendants.
Heir. The person who legally receives money or property from someone who has died.
We need the heir of a major corporation to dissolve his father's empire.
Resemblance. The fact that 2 people or things look like each other.
There's a resemblance, there is. But I've seen strangers who look like twins.
What? What, you can't tell me? Oh, forgive me for intruding on your deep personal relationship with the chef. Oh, I see how it is. You give me to teach you a few kitchen tricks to dazzle the boss, and then you blow past me?
Wake up, wake up.
Intrude. To interrupt someone or become involved in their private affairs.
I don't want to intrude on your laundering space.
Love to not go to the laundromat by myself.
Dazzle. To cause someone to feel strong admiration of something or someone.
I mean, I'm sure you'll just dazzle them as per usual.
This can't just happen. The whole thing is a setup. The boy knows. Look at him out there, pretending to be an idiot. He's toying with my mind like a cat with a ball of something.
String?
Yes, playing dumb, taunting me with that rat.
Rat?
Yes, he's consorting with it, deliberately trying to make me think it's important.
The rat.
Exactly.
Taunt. To intentionally annoy and upset someone.
Tea Party members continued to taunt the Parkinson sufferer after he was shoved to the ground.
Consort. To spend time with particular people.
I'm accusing you of consorting with an enemy agent behind my back.
Deliberately. Intentionally, on purpose.
Mr. Wayne didn't want you to think that he was deliberately wasting your time.